Hey everyone, it's Aaliyah. It's currently April, I want to say 23rd. Oh my gosh, I've only been vlogging for like 10 seconds and my arm already hurts. I just finished getting ready after my online workout, and so basically I work/go to this fitness studio. They recently moved online, and so they have another studio that's further away from my house, so there's a bunch of instructors I don't know. And so I took a class today from one of the instructors I don't know, and it was a pop flex class, which I've never taken a pop flex class before, and partway through it kind of reminded me of like pop Pilates, so I'm gonna guess it was kind of like that. Not pop flex, sorry, power flex class. And oh my gosh, I was dying. I was so sweaty. Cardio is not my strong suit, and there were little bits of cardio in there, like a couple songs, and they kept doing mountain climbers, and I hate mountain climbers. I'm pretty sure I have a clip, and if I do, I'm gonna put it in right now. I hate mountain climbers. Anyway, it was so bad. Ow, my arm literally hurts, and I've been holding this for 2 seconds. And also, as I was working out, I realized that so many workouts I've been doing lately have been legs, and I'm like, my legs need a break, so please, can we just not? Anyway, I'm gonna give you guys a little outfit of the day. Also, it's 1 o'clock and I haven't had breakfast yet because I was waiting for my workout class at noon, and I woke up at 10 because I was so exhausted after yesterday. First outfit of the day. So I wanted to do the little thing with my hair. I've done it a couple times before and I want to try it again, and my only issue is that it kind of puffs at the sides, so it makes my head look super boxy. But I tried this once at school and my friend was like, oh, you're doing the TikTok girl thing, and I was like, that's not what I meant to do, but okay. I'm wearing this crop tube top from Hollister and these senior shorts, class of 2020, yay. And then I have my little puka shell anklet, like a basic girl. Also, I did my nails, and I meant to vlog while doing my nails. There's so many things that I meant to do while vlogging that I didn't do. I painted my nails, and so my nails are black with like little sparkles on it just because I thought it was cute. And then my toes, as you saw, were just all white. I need to extend my arm out or else I look naked while I'm vlogging. Also, can you see this weird mark on my skin? I don't know what that is. It's almost 1 o'clock and I haven't eaten breakfast yet. I really want to eat food. But I have a meeting with one of my teachers in a little bit, and so I have to stay just a little bit longer, and then I can eat my food finally, and then we'll take my dog for a walk. I was so tired getting up today because yesterday I woke up earlier than usual because I had a, oh my gosh, my arm keeps dying. Yesterday I woke up earlier than usual because I had a workout class that was at 9 a.m. and I, obviously since quarantine, have not been waking up early enough to be awake and functioning at 9 a.m. So I was up basically from like 8:30 a.m. till like 1 something at night because I was baking and I had my devotional to do, and so I was just exhausted at the end of yesterday. And then I woke up today and I was so tired, and I woke up around 10 something, and so it was good because I still got a solid amount of sleep and woke up a little bit later, but I was still so exhausted, and I got ready for my workout and I was like, I cannot do this. And I did it. I died. Again, I don't know why everything I do is legs. One thing that happened that I meant to vlog but didn't was that I put fairy lights up all over my room, and so as you can see here, there's this one string of rose gold fairy lights that like it just died. I think the backing of the batteries popped out, and so the switch doesn't work anymore. But I did have all these individual ones that we used for my grandma's birthday and that we meant to use for my birthday, but then obviously got canceled because of the virus, and so I just redid the original rose gold light. And so I actually have 3 lights. So I have these 2 over here, and this one goes up around the Shawn Mendes poster, and this one goes and cuts through the middle, and I have this one that starts down there and it goes around the Pikachu poster. And then I went ahead and I put some up all over my wall. So I know that there are fairy lights that like you can just plug it in and then hang it up and it'll literally cover your whole wall, like it's meant to be like a full thing, but obviously I don't have one, and so I just made individual ones and I put them all up, and I watched like 5 episodes of Boy Meets World while doing it because I work really slow. And so the only issue obviously is that it means I have to bring the chair out and turn them on all individually. Unless I was like the height of my boyfriend, I can't turn these on, so I have to bring my chair out and turn them on individually. But it's so pretty. And then I also put this one around the mirror, and so the only difference is that this one around the mirror is a yellow light, and then this one that's been up for a while is also a yellow light. I really love this one. This is probably my favorite one that's been up for the longest because it just has all the Polaroids. It's very cute, very aesthetic, and also like this shelf, when I reorganized it, I feel like it just captures me so much more than it used to, because we've got the polish, the vinyls, the Polaroids, and then I love how this top shelf turned out with all of the Polaroids and the pop figures. My little "You're really pretty" sign gives me life every day. Anyway, as of right now, I am going to get on that meeting with my teacher and finally eat food. And then I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so it is nighttime now and I have not vlogged anything today because I pretty much did laundry the whole day. And by the whole day, I mean the amount of the day I was awake because I had a super late start to the day. I realized as I was frosting my cake that I should have vlogged me making the cake. I started baking a cake for my cousin's birthday tomorrow. I finished it until the crumb coat and it is now like 11:30 and so my dad was like, "You need to stop, you're finishing it tomorrow." And so I'm going to finish frosting tomorrow and I'll actually film that for you guys so that you guys can see me putting on the little stars, rosettes. I don't know if they categorize as rosettes. Anyway, I have been watching Kids Baking Championship so much since quarantine started and I have gotten addicted, well, re-addicted to baking, and I've just been learning through the show and I want to start baking more again and learning and becoming a better baker. I feel like I always go through like these phases of being super into baking because I'm in middle school. I used to bake all the time to raise money for charities and I just haven't done that a lot lately because the more often I did it, the less people kind of donated or less people bought. Anyway, before I end off this part of today's vlog and go to bed for tonight, I'm going to show you what it looks like because I've actually not tried it out with all of the lights off. I think I counted it yesterday and it was like, ooh, focus camera, focus, hello. It was like maybe 16 fairy lights up in my whole room. And now it's time to use the chair because I'm way too short to reach all of these individually. If I were to attempt to do this by hand, this is how far away I am. Okay, but I love how this looks. Oh my goodness. I'm literally obsessed with how good it looks. You can't really see it on camera, but you can see like there's a little bit of a difference with the shade of this light and the shade of this light when you're in person. Obviously, since this is the main feature wall with all the lights, I'm gonna show you guys what this basically looks like first. Also, hey, so normally at night I leave my light switch around halfway dim depending on whether or not I'm reading, because when you obviously turn off the lights, it helps you when you are going to go to sleep, because then your brain is like, oh, it's darker, melatonin, science, things like that. If I turn the lights, oh, that's so pretty. Okay, yeah, I think this situation right here is just the batteries. So I think if I put new batteries in, it'll be so much brighter because I know these are brighter. But this, that's so pretty. Okay, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, sorry, I'm fangirling. You can't see it at all on the camera, but you can see it in person. Like, this is so white and this is definitely, it looks purple. You can slightly tell on this wall though that this is a little bit of a different shade than that shade, but it's so pretty. Anyway, I'm gonna turn on the lights a little so I can talk. I'm so proud of myself. Having the lights off with the fairy lights on reminded me that there was one time where they turned off all the lights in our area because of the wind getting super crazy and the power lines were, I guess, supposedly at risk with the wind, and so everyone's power was turned off, and obviously that meant that we had no light, and 21st century, we don't know what that's like. And I remember having only these lights right here and the lights on that poster wall, and they were the only lights in my room. It was so aesthetically pleasing, but I'm so in love with this wall. I'm gonna pray and get ready for bed, and I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. So I just got ready for the day. It is 10 something, maybe even 11, I don't know. But my workout class today that was supposed to be at noon got canceled, which is kind of great because I was gonna say that I couldn't go anyway because I've been so tired lately, and so I wanted to have a rest day anyway. I'm also a little bit behind on homework, so I needed the day to just do my homework and also frost the cake I was talking about yesterday. I just got ready, and so I will give you an outfit of the day. I'm honestly surprised that I'm capable of doing outfit of the days considering we're in quarantine, so I shouldn't be having different outfits every day. It's basically the same thing as yesterday, you just switch the colors. I put my makeup on, and my goodness gracious, I have been wearing lashes a lot more in quarantine than actually when I go outside, but it has been so annoying lately because I just have been struggling to get it properly on my lash line. Don't know why, but I can't get it on my lash line. Why do I look so blown out? Also, my voice sounds super low right now. It's kind of freaky. Anyway, that's all for now, and I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, so as you guys just saw, I just finished frosting the, okay, you can totally hear Boy Meets World in the background. Anyway, I just finished frosting the cake and I attempted rosettes for the first time, and I literally have zero clue how to do rosettes, so they're all very wonky and not the same size. And so I did little pipes in between to kind of fix the spaces because there's a lot of gaps. It's obviously not great because it's my first time frosting a cake, but I'm not that mad, you know? It went as well as I expected to go, really. So, you know, this is the finished cake for my cousin's birthday today, and I just touched the frosting on the side. That's okay. I'm just gonna stick this back in the fridge. I had to keep moving it because the sun is like in the worst spot right now, so I had to keep moving it. But I'm gonna put this back in the fridge, and then I'll take it to my cousin tonight, probably with my family. Hey guys, and happy Sabbath. I just realized that I didn't end my vlog again last night because I never end my vlogs. All that happened was I went to my cousin's house and I delivered the cake. Happy birthday to you! Before I end today's vlog, I thought I would show you guys how my bullet journal is going. This is going to be uploaded super late, I'm already well aware, but as of today, it is only April 25th, which means it's perfectly fine to still be showing you the April section of my bullet journal, but this is what it looks like right now. As I showed you in a previous vlog, this is what the cover page looks like. I love it. The color is cute, very nice. And this is the monthly layout. I have been trying to fill up as much as possible just because I love what the colors look like, but obviously since not much is happening, it's hard to fill it out. And these are my weekly layouts. They're all obviously designed to be as Polaroids to go with the theme. And for my mood tracker for the month, I followed the Polaroid template that I saw on Pinterest, and I decided to put how I'm feeling because Love's album How I'm Feeling is so good. I also love this, my sleep tracker. I love this so much more than I did last time, because what I did last time was just a bar graph that showed the hours that I slept, but I like this because now I can keep track of how late I'm going to bed, and as you can see, it's been very late. And for my last 2 pages for April, I have my fitness tracker, obviously, to make sure I am working out and holding myself accountable. I recently looked up my name on Urban Dictionary, and there's this description that said badass but cute. I just thought that was super cute, and so I used that as my title for my workout tracker. And so I have been doing a lot of pop Pilates, which are workout videos uploaded by Blog Pilates here on YouTube. I've also been training myself in running because cardio is not my strong suit, and I've also been doing dance because dance is a fun way to do cardio without getting super overwhelmed, in my opinion. And for my habit tracker, I never like giving things normal names like mood tracker, habit tracker. I like to have it fun and different, and so I don't know how I came up with this, but I just put fun times. And I also like this style of lettering because I think it's colorful and fun, and it doesn't have to be neat. And for my habit tracker, I went back to how I arranged it in February, which was just a very simple layout on this side, labeling what the habits are and just having dots to represent each day, which I think has been nicer for me just because it's simplistic, and I know it doesn't say the days specifically, so I do have to count out which day it is sometimes, but I just think it looks so much nicer and cleaner the way that it is when it's simpler. And of course, my last page is my highlights, and this was difficult for me to decide because I didn't know if I wanted to do a big Polaroid like this, because obviously a big Polaroid made sense, but I thought that would be too plain, and so I decided to do a Polaroid that's coming out of a Polaroid camera. It was a little difficult, but I like how it turns out because it really fills the whole page, and obviously I just have to color it in and outline it. I like to just have this as a way of keeping track of the highlights of the month, no matter how difficult the month is, and highlights of my favorite verses. This is what my highlights page looked like for January, and so it was super simple, and I put a Polaroid because I thought that was just a really cute addition. And my verses, I like to aim for 3 verses of the month, and so these are the 3 that I chose for January. For February, these are the verses that I chose, and I also decided to put this feature lyric page just because I was so in love with this song, and I also put this Peter Kavinsky quote because I thought it was perfect for the theme. My March month I haven't actually finished yet, and that's why there is this completely blank page at the end because I still need to fill out highlights. Even though March was kind of hard for me, I still need to fill out highlights and verses for that month. But anyway, yeah, that's what my bullet journal looks like right now. It feels really good to have a bullet journal theme that I love again because now I feel so much more encouraged to use it. I really am so happy to have a February. Anyway, that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.